This isn't another get-rich-quick trick. It's smarter than that. There's an AI tool that pays you every single day, and it's 100% free. No startup capital, no coding, no waiting months for results. The internet's shifted, and this AI tool is your back door into the new digital economy. It's not flashy, it's efficient. It's called OpenAI's GPT, and no, I'm not talking about using it to write essays. I'm talking about turning it into a money machine. People are building entire income streams by leveraging this tool with zero investment. But here's the kicker. You don't get paid for using GPT. You get paid for what you build with GPT. Let me break it down. The demand for AI-generated content is exploding. Businesses, brands, coaches, marketers, they're drowning in content needs. But they don't want generic junk. They want fast, sharp, tailored results. And you, with this tool, can deliver exactly that. All you need is a laptop, internet, and the ability to follow a system. Step 1. Pick a niche. Copywriting, email marketing, ad scripts, resumes, SEO, whatever. Step 2. Use GPT to speedrun quality outputs. Step 3. List your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even DM small businesses. Clients don't care that AI wrote it. They care that you solved their problem. And when you deliver fast, clean, useful content, they pay. Again, and again, and again. That's daily cash flow, not monthly wait times. Still skeptical? Let's do numbers. If you deliver 3 small $30 gigs per day, that's $90. Multiply that by 30 days. That's $2,700 a month from a free tool. And many scale far beyond that. Some turn it into agencies. Some automate the whole workflow with tools like Zapier and Notion AI. Some bundle services, offering AI content and design and automation for premium rates. But let's zoom back. Why is this working? Because GPT isn't the value. Your packaging is. The tool is free. The positioning is the gold mine. GPT lets you offer speed and quality at a low cost. You become a one-person content engine. And when others are still fumbling with Canva and Google Docs, you're already shipping final drafts. Clients don't see AI, they see results. You're solving their time problem, and businesses pay for saved time. Every single day. Here's what smart people are doing right now. They're choosing one niche, becoming an AI-powered expert in it, offering packages like 10 AI-optimized emails in 24 hours, or ad copy for your next launch in 12 hours. And they're delivering it using GPT and a few prompt formulas. They're not pretending to be the best writers in the world. They're promising speed, quality, and outcomes, and the tool does the heavy lifting. Some even resell AI content services. They get clients, pass it through GPT, and take the margin. Digital arbitrage, low effort, high return, daily payout. And it doesn't stop at text. GPT can brainstorm product names, write scripts for you, outline courses, write client proposals. All you do is package the output and position it right. Want even more leverage? Record the content GPT gives you, post it on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, use the views to drive leads to your services. Now you're earning both from content and from clients. That's 2 income streams from one free tool. Now let's kill the biggest myth. AI will take your job. No, AI will take the jobs of people who don't use AI. Because right now, this is a land grab. The people earning from GPT daily are not tech geniuses. They're fast executors. They test, they learn, they repeat, and they understand one thing. Money follows attention, and AI creates attention when used right. You can either scroll endlessly or start selling solutions. You can either chase trends or be the person businesses chase. This tool is here. It's free, it's fast, it's already paying people. You just have to stop watching and start using, because the future won't wait, and the algorithm never sleeps. So ask yourself, are you going to let AI replace you, or are you going to use AI to replace your 9 to 5? The ones who act now will build leverage. The ones who wait will work for the ones who didn't. This tool pays, but only if you start.